How are you?
I'm just doing great. How are you?
You are.
My name is Mohammed, and I'm calling from New Delhi, India. Delhi is the capital of India, and Delhi is a state. And English is
Okay.
my passion. My hobbies are watching movies and web series on Netflix. In my whole family members, we are four brothers and two sisters. So, do you have any other questions, ma'am?
How many times have you done that on Cambly?
Every time I just talk to the new tutors, and they ask these kind of questions. So, I thought I should
Yes.
just start so you can understand.
Well, it was an excellent summary and it was very smoothly spoken.
Thank you.
So, my name is Erin.
Mm-hmm.
I'm actually in France right now. I'm on vacation, so it's
Okay.
morning here. But I am from Toronto, Canada. I was born and have lived there my entire life.
Okay.
I also have some business experience in Canada, working in financial services,
Mm-hmm.
working in technology as well, and working with business people.
Mm-hmm.
But Cambly is sort of my part-time hustle, I guess. It's something
Yeah.
that is easy to do on vacation, make a little bit of extra money here and there.
Yes.
And I also really love learning new languages and
Hmm.
teaching language. So
That's good for you.
yeah. So how can I help you today? What would you like to focus on? Is there
I
anything?
just do general talking.
Mhm. Oh,
Yes.
good. Okay. Excellent. So what kind of business are you in that you have
Digital
Canadian?
marketer. I have a digital marketing agencies, and my business is registered in the state of Georgia in US. And
Okay.
I've also several customers from Canada, like Ontario, Quebec, and Calgary. These are the places I have many customers.
Ontario, Quebec. Yeah, that makes sense. Vancouver at all or no?
Nova Scotia, I believe.
Nova Scotia. Yes, 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 yes. Nova
Yeah, that's
Scotia.
what I was talking. Yes.
Okay, yes. Yeah, I haven't been to Nova Scotia yet, but
Mm-hmm.
it looks beautiful. In
Okay.
terms of a visit, I think it would be good for, some seafood and things like that.
Mm-hmm.
So, have you been to Canada?
No.
No. Do you want to?
No, I would love to go to US.
US?
Yeah,
Where in the US?
Las Vegas
Oh, okay.
and
Party, right?
yes,
Yeah,
Miami, Florida, and California. These are three places.
yeah, yeah. Miami, I haven't been to yet.
Hmm.
Vegas, I've gone pretty much every year. I've been
Hmm.
like 5 times. But it's
Okay.
always a different trip. It's kind of like New York City and Las Vegas are
Hmm.
similar because there's so much to do there
Hmm.
that it's always very different. So you can go back so many times and it's fun.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So you have a digital marketing firm.
Yes.
Okay. And is there any particular industry that you market for or to?
No, I just don't target any industry specifically, and
Hmm.
I just do email marketing through LinkedIn, and
Right. Yeah.
we get so many since business established since 2017. So I have no any issues to get the clients from US, and particularly my even business is registered in state of Georgia. So
Mm.
I have no any issues to get the clients, and I have a bank account in the US, payment gateways. So there's no any issues to deal with the clients.
Well, that's good. Do you have many employees or is it a
I
smaller
have a
company?
freelancers. I don't maintain the offices because
Right.
this is online business. You can do anything, from any places. So the
Yeah.
freelancers are very cheapest to handle, and you don't have to pay the rent, for the offices and bills
Yeah.
and these kind of things. You can just reduce the cost in your business. So
Hmm. Yeah, that's nice, isn't it? After the COVID lockdowns,
yeah,
that trend really accelerated. So it
yes,
saves people some money, right?
yep,
It was always kind of a silly thing to be in the office 24/7,
yep,
you know? For certain roles. There are certain roles that it applies to, but you'd think you trust the people you're hiring anyway to work
hmm,
from wherever.
yes.
Well, good. Yeah. I mean, I certainly like it if you want an opinion from an independent contractor. So, what else? Any vacations coming up?
For me,
Yeah, any travel?
yeah, I'm just going my hometown. I
Yeah.
belong to the eastern part of India. And right now, I'm in New Delhi. Delhi is almost 700 miles from where I was born. I came to Delhi. It's good for the job and businesses. So it's been
Mm,
10 years, and I usually go in 6 months or 8 months to meet my parents. Yes.
yes.
So I'm just about to go in just next coming week.
Excellent. What's the population of New Delhi? Do you know?
30 million.
30 million.
Yes.
Yeah. So where I'm from in Toronto is 3.5 million. But that's Canada's biggest city. That's
Yep.
like, you know, so it's do you like it? Do you like that it's so busy?
Yes.
You do?
Yep.
Okay. I wouldn't. Too many people.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Many congested. Everywhere you will find traffics, and all the people live together. You
Yeah.
know, and you will not find any spaces from your home. Like all the homes are joined together here, and no any
Yeah.
open spaces to go. So these are things.
And it's all like kind of low, right? Like no
Yes.
high-rise buildings.
Yep.
Yeah, yeah,
Yep.
yeah. Yeah. Toronto is like 43 floor
Hmm.
buildings, like very high up, but it's the same thing,
Yes.
just, vertical rather than horizontal.
Hmm.
But, yeah, I've been living in the city for about 15 years, so I'm now
Okay.
ready for more space, for more nature, less people.
Hmm. So how
Yeah.
many countries you have traveled so far?
Ooh. Oh God, I don't know. One, two, three, four,
Have you been to
five.
India?
No, I haven't actually been to that part of the world yet. I've
Hmm.
been mostly to Europe,
Okay.
Italy, Portugal, France, Spain, a lot in the US,
Hmm.
like pretty much everywhere in the US, South America, so like Panama, Costa
Hmm.
Rica, Honduras, Mexico.
Well.
Yeah. And a lot in the US. I would like to come to your part of the world though. It's so far. That's the only thing
Yes.
is the plane
Yep.
ride is so far. But I'll get there. I'll get there. I want to do Thailand, Cambodia.
Hmm.
I really want to do both of those. I want to see Egypt as well.
Yes.
Uh, yeah, there's 100 million places I would see.
Right. So what do you do?
Hopefully.
What's your profession?
So I'm actually in sales for a financial data company.
Hmm.
So I work with the big banks downtown Toronto to
Hmm.
provide real estate data to help them mitigate risk in their portfolio. So when they're looking at a
Okay.
client,
Uh-huh.
do they want to issue a loan? The
Yep.
data that I provide would
Yep.
assist them in doing that. So we just kind of do that en masse
Uh-huh.
for the lending industry. I know it's not so much fun.
Yes.
Data is very dry,
Yes.
but it's stable.
So you're in Paris right now.
I'm in the south of France.
Oh, France. Okay.
Thankfully, I speak French, which helps because everyone here speaks French. So
Okay.
that's a good thing.
And
Is it
how long you give time for on Cambly?
how long have I been teaching?
Yep.
Like 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Okay.
Yeah, not
And what
very long.
experience do you get? Yep.
I get to talk to people from all over the world.
Does that make you happy?
It does. I like learning about, what you
Uh-huh.
were telling me about your home city. And
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
like learning about political opinions, like
Yes.
what's going on there? What do they think about it? Is it
Uh-huh.
because we hear such different things, when we watch Canadian news outlets? It's all different. You never know what's true and what's not. What are your tutors usually? Are they Canadian or American?
My tutors,
Yeah.
yes, I find Canadian and US, Australia, and most probably UK. It
Yeah.
just been 1 month to be on Cambly. I just started.
Okay. All right. Well, your English seems very good.
Because I give time for this, I do practices, I learn, I work on vocabulary and pronunciation.
Very good. Good for you.
Yes.
And it also, there's lots of research that shows that when you learn a new language, it's good for your mental health because
Yeah.
you're
Yes.
you're getting out of that routine way of thinking and you're building new associations.
Yes.
It's a nice way to switch focus.
So you are married or unmarried?
No, 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 I'm married,
Okay.
no kids,
No kids.
agile, traveling, moving
Uh-huh.
and shaking all over.
Okay.
Yeah, it's easy. Yeah, it's good. There's a big housing bubble in Toronto right now. The real
Mm-hmm.
estate is like it's very overpriced, and to own a house there is very expensive right now. The mortgage rates are very high, so I'd much rather use the time to travel and see the world than to try to buy a house and be kind of chained to it and have to
Yep.
stay in one place. So I'm making use of that now that COVID is all done.
Okay, Arian, I believe our time is up. So thank you so much for joining me.
Sure, absolutely. And feel free to rate me as well.
Yeah, sure. All right. Thank you so much.